Hi to all. Once again, welcome back to Avisan Kitchen. How are you? Hope you all are fine. Today we are going to make a very special breakfast, Chole kulcha in Hamari style. It's really awesome. It will make your morning active once you will have it. So let's start. First take oil in a pan. Once oil becomes hot, add sliced onions, add finely chopped coriander leaves, tomatoes, and green chilies. Mix it and fry it for 2 to 3 minutes on a medium flame. Now add red chilli powder, salt as per taste, and chole masala powder. Mix it and fry it for 2 to 3 minutes. Now add boiled chole. Please note, before boiling we have to soak them in a water for 7 to 8 hours. Now mix it nicely. Now add 1 to 2 cup of water. Mix it well. Now cover with a lid. Let it cook for 10 to 15 minutes on low to medium flame. Now remove the lid. You can see our chole is almost ready. Now fry it until gravy becomes thick. Wow, our chole is ready. It looks awesome. Now let's fry our kulcha. This kulcha is readily available in bakery and all supermarkets. Now take oil in a pan. Add red chilli powder, and salt. You can also use butter instead of oil if you want. Now toss this kulcha nicely from both the sides as shown here. Wow, it looks so delicious. Now here is our chole kulcha. It's ready. You can have this with the onion and green chilies. I'm eating my breakfast right now. So if you want to join me, then make it and come fast. If you liked our recipe, do like our video and subscribe to our channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon for the new